How to create sales quotation.
Hi everyone, it's Jason here from EIST SQL. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how to create another sales quotation document inside the SQL Accounting Software. So normally this sales quotation is being used that you have a potential buyer that would like to know more about your product or services, so that you can make use of this quotation to actually send them your total product price or your service price. Okay, so in order for you to create a new sales quotation, you need to go to the sales module and then select quotation. Okay, so once you selected quotation, you can go to the right hand side, press the new button. Okay, so over here it will show you a list of information that you can make use of. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is actually select who is your customer. Okay, so once you do that, on the document detail part, you need to specify what is the item that you are sell towards your potential customer. Okay, so if let's say you don't want your company doesn't have any item code, you can also manually type in the description. Okay, for example, the installation. Okay, so this will be a one-time cost. Okay, and then you need to specify what is the unit price. Okay, so if let's say all of the details is already corrected, then you can save this document. So this is how you can create another new quotation. So if so inside the quotation, you can find an additional features. So the first thing you can see over at the left hand side, which is the more. So over here will be the information you fill in for your customer profile. Okay, inside the maintain customer. So over here you can see there is a delivery and also billing information. So underneath here you can see there is a my invoice tab over here. So over here, if let's say you are billing a company, make sure that this submission is E-Invoice, and also you need to double check your customer BRN number and also their TIN number accordingly. Okay, so if let's say you have additional reference that you like to add in wording, you can add in inside the reference 2, 3 or 4. Okay, so the next thing you can see over here is attachment. So attachment, if let's say you want to upload some of the documents or you want to upload your photos regarding this quotation, you can also add using this attachment function by uploading your files using the local drive. Okay, so the third thing you can see there is a note button over here. So this note will be an additional note that you would like to key in for this particular quotation, if let's say you have. Okay, so the last thing you can see there is an item template. So this one will be an additional module inside the stock. Okay, so meaning that if let's say your company is doing a promotion, you are selling products in the bundle, then you can create another new item template under the stock module. Okay, but this one will be explained in the next couple of videos. Okay, so once you do that, you can go back into the sales quotation. If let's say you want to estimate what is the profit that you can potentially make from this customer, you can press this profit estimator. Okay, then it will show you what is the profit margin in percentage for this particular quotation. Okay, so if let's say you don't want to earn only 79.57%, you want to actually add on to 81% of profit margin, you can just directly change the percentage rate into 81%. So as you can see, the unit price for your item will be already updated to a new one in order for you to achieve 81% of profit margin. So once you confirm that you want to use this unit price, you can press the update unit price. Then the quotation unit price amount will be changed accordingly. Okay, so after you confirm every single details is correct, then you can press the save button to save this particular document. So this is all how you can create another new sales quotation. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoy. If let's say this video helps you a lot, please make sure to like and also subscribe to support our channel. So I will see you in the next one.